Would you rather be able to swim like a dolphin or fly like an eagle? It's a hypothetical question, but what if mankind really could evolve one day to do one or even both of those things? Thanks to the theory of evolution, it's not as outrageous a concept as it may at first seem. All we want to know today is it technically even possible? In the 19th century, Charles Darwin proposed that animals evolved traits over time and that the strongest, most useful traits survived in a process he dubbed natural selection. You've probably seen this, showing how modern man evolved from a common ancestor between ourselves and chimpanzees. Note, this kind of evolution is a very slow, constant, and ongoing process. It's not as if we're all suddenly going to sprout wings or develop gills overnight. Sadly, we're not living in a superhero universe just yet. Examples of genetic mutations and traits which have affected populations in the long term include resistance to diseases, growing fewer wisdom teeth, or having blue eyes. As you can tell, some of these traits are more vital to our survival than others, which embodies the whole survival of the fittest philosophy. However, other traits, such as having blue eyes, appear to be more cosmetic and aren't exactly essential, unless you include getting more matches on Tinder. Evolution takes place over generations, and traits are passed on via familial DNA. Let's look at two examples of recent human evolution. 1. People who live at high altitudes are better able to cope with lower levels of oxygen in the air. A study of Tibetan highlanders recently found that their blood was genetically predisposed to produce more of the oxygen-transporting hemoglobin protein than Han Chinese people, who are closely related in terms of DNA but live down at sea level. The genetic mutation that resulted in the Tibetan superior hemoglobin production is believed to have occurred at least 3,000 years ago. 2. Another great example of how humans have evolved is our ability to digest milk. Do you know that we are the only species of mammal to continue digesting milk after infancy? That's because other mammals stop producing the enzyme lactase after infancy, meaning they can no longer break down the lactose sugar found in milk. However, thanks to genetic mutation, otherwise we wouldn't be able to enjoy cheesy pizza. Still don't believe it's possible? We do have an animal that used to roam the land with 4 legs and evolved to become marine mammals. Any guess which animal is that? The ancestors of today's whales are the ones adapted to life in water, developing a blowhole, front legs becoming flippers, and back legs disappearing. If there was enough environmental pressure, say sea levels rising and the land becoming uninhabitable for humans one day, could we evolve to become marine mammals too? When it comes to evolution, anything's possible. We just won't be around to see it happen. Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree with this theory. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more thought-provoking topics just like this one.